Once again, welcome. In genetics, today, let us try to understand the mutations. What are mutations? How do they occur? What is the significance of the mutations? In nature, there is a lot of variation among the living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms. Variation or what we call diversity. Why this diversity? Why all the plants are not similar? Why all the animals are not similar? Many biologists try to explain this question. Why there is variation? In this direction, three theories mention worthy. One proposed by Lamarck, theory of inheritance of acquired characters, taking the example of giraffe. Second, natural selection theory proposed by Charles Darwin. Then, theory of mutation proposed by De Vries. Now, De Vries proposed the mutation theory to explain the variations that exist in the living organisms. Darwin proposed the natural selection theory, but he did not explain what are the reasons for the variation. Now, let us see the mutations. Mutations were first observed by Hugo de Vries, who lived in 1848 to 1935, a Dutch botanist. In the evening primrose Oenothera lamarckiana, he was observing the color of the flowers. One day, suddenly he observed a plant, white flowered plant, producing the red, or maybe vice versa. He introduced the term mutation. Proposed mutation theory of evolution, reason for variation, how evolution took place in nature over the long time. Mutation, how to define? A sudden change, alteration in the genetic material. That genetic material, today we know what is, that is DNA or the genome of a cell. A sudden change, alteration in the genetic material of a cell. It is sudden, remember. Living organism that is more or less permanent. That change, that alteration is permanent and inherited to the offsprings. Three characters are important to define the mutation. One, sudden change in the character. Second, it is permanent, it is not reverted. Some changes appear and again go back. Third, those changes are inherited to the offsprings. Mutation is a phenomena which results in alteration of DNA sequence and consequently results in changes in the genotype and the phenotype of an organism. Mutations, then how these mutations, sudden changes in the genetic material. If any change occurs in the genetic material, that will be permanent, that is inherited. If it occurs in the other than genetic material, it is not inherited, it is not permanent. Either accidents during the normal chemical transactions of DNA, often during replication. The DNA replicates during the cell divisions. In majority of the cases, normal replication without any mistakes, without any faults. But sometimes some mistakes occur during the replication. Those mistakes remain permanently and inherited. So that will result as a mutation. And another case is some mistakes occur, but they are repaired. But those which are not repaired, those which are inherited to the offsprings are called mutations. So these may occur at the time of DNA replication, or if organisms are exposed to high energy electromagnetic radiation, just like UV light, X-rays, these are potential mutagenic physical agents. Particle radiation are highly reactive chemicals in the environment. There are certain chemicals which function as mutagens, induce the mutations. Due to insertions of mobile elements, what we are calling transposable elements or jumping genes, they move from one place to another. They move and get inserted in another gene. Because of that insertion, that original gene changes its characteristics. Mostly harmful mutations occur very frequently. Some are harmful, some are beneficial. So now we can explain the Darwin's natural selection theory. The beneficial variations, beneficial mutations are selected by the nature. The agents that induce mutations are known as mutagens, chemical mutagens, physical mutagens, like these are called mutagens. Some are silent mutations. Mutations take place, we don't notice. There will not be any phenotypic or genotypic change. They are called silent mutations. Point mutations at single nucleotide level. At single nucleotide, because for example, in place of A, maybe G or C, or in place of G, another nucleotide in the DNA sequence. Then substitution, deletion, some nucleotides are deleted. Removal of one base from the sequence. Then frame shift, any insertion or deletion mutations which shift the bases in a sequence, large number of nucleotides are affected. Amino acids. So this shift will change the amino acid sequence, change the protein on the whole. Chromosomal aberrations are observed in cancers. The most of the cancers are due to because of chromosomal aberrations. So this, let us see how mutations take place. This is, let us suppose, start from here. This is sequence 333, just like a codon. 3 nucleotides present in a sequence. Now you can read it in a meaningful way. The man saw the dog, hit the dog, can end. Now let us see. Here, point mutation. Instead of dog, instead of G, T. Similarly, in place of one nucleotide, another nucleotide. This is point mutation. Second, the man saw the as the man saw the dog. Here it is dog missing, deleted. A 3 nucleotide sequence is completely deleted. Then insertion The man saw the dog earlier, normal, but fat is inserted. Insertion, 3 nucleotide sequence is inserted. Frame shift, the man saw the up to this level, but the nucleotide sequence changed, meaningless, or in other words, in molecular level, the new 3 nucleotide sequences, they code for 3 different types of amino acids and entirely a new type of protein. These are called frame shift mutations. Significance of mutations. What is the significance? Mutations are occurring. Some are beneficial, some are harmful. In general, mutation is the main source of genetic variation. If there is a change between the same species, between the individuals of the population, one reason, main reason is mutation, which is the raw material for evolution. Remember, mutations are the raw materials for evolution. By natural selection, then beneficial mutations are adopted, selected by the nature. Those species only, those individuals only remain, survive, and they win the competition. Variations in living organisms are due to recombinations and mutations. Mutations, one main reason. Recombinations is also another reason. So thus, we try to define what are mutations: sudden, permanent, inheritable in the genetic material. Second, what are the reasons for the mutations? Mistakes in the DNA replication, physical agents, chemical agents, then biological agents just like transposons, then different types of mutations, point mutations, insertions, deletions.